So guys, I'm sorry the camera died when he said to pause it. So I'm so sorry.
We're officially done.
Yeah.
She just wants to add the glitter.
It's not that sticky.
You want to add the glitter on me?
Just add it.
A lot like that one or a little bit?
Just press him. I'll tell you when to stop. Stop. I'm not that type of fan of glitter. I grabbed this glitter because that
y'all
glitter.
are literally out, and y'all went like how many days ago, and look how much I still have.
Because he doesn't even waste his.
Yes, I did. I waste a lot whenever my other cousin came to my house.
Look, guys. So I think it's ready, dude.
You want me to take it out? Oh no, it's still sticky. It's sticky.
And if you think it's too sticky,
just add more detergent.
Yup, what he said. So let's add detergent. I think that's what it's missing. I like how his is.
Oh, yeah, ver.
Alright. His feels fluffy.
I was gonna add shaving cream, but we didn't have any.
Yeah. Or lotion.
No, but lotion
makes it stretchy.
Yeah, but I was gonna add what's it called? Shaving cream to add it like fluffy.
Okay. I don't even know what I made. I feel like this is Play-Doh, but it ain't. It's slime.
You're gonna put this one in that thing?
I think so. So, is it ready? I think you added too much detergent.
That's alright. We just need to play with it more. Look, you see it's not sticky.
Like another one that I had it popped the bubbles. This one doesn't pop bubbles. No, it's too hard.
It's gonna drip.
So this
and whenever it's too sticky and you have it all in your hands,
put detergent.
You could just put detergent on your hands,
or
you could roll it up into a ball, and with that ball you could just wherever it's at.
No, I think you added too much detergent.
Or where that ball is at, you could just keep on tapping it to where it's at.
No, it's good. No.
I'm gonna add a little bit more.
No, this ain't go. It is good, but it is. I don't know.
Too sticky?
No, it ain't too sticky. You put too much detergent.
Oh, it's too liquidy?
Liquidy. I don't like it a bubble. I like, there's something I call buttery. I think this one's a little bit of butter.
Butter slime? I forgot what it means.
Well, I like this one.
I used to think butter slime is whenever you add butter, but it's not. It's whenever you you have like a slime that stretches
let me tell
like
y'all
a lot.
Oi. Like when this is stuck on you, do this. And then touch on it wherever you have it on, and it gets it off.
Well, mine's it's not sticky. Look, if it's sticky, I could just go like this. Look, I put my finger down and I come up slow, and it would like stick to me, but it doesn't do that. Cause look.
So, I actually really did like the results. I really did. But I liked it how it is. It's because mine was too sticky, but. When you start,
but we could fix it later on.
No, the more you play with it, the more not sticky it goes. Right now, it's already
don't keep it out too long.
Yes, because then it dries. That's what happened with one of mine, the blue one.
Like these are kind of drying out because she left it in her room open
by accident.
But the one that's really not dried out is the one that you had just made in the room.
That one.
Oh, sticky. No, it's not.
So, guys, I hope you like the results. And,
look.
Try it out.
It's like a grayish color.
So, try it at your house, guys. And have a nice day. Bye.